In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TradingView to place trades directly on your chart, also known as execution on screen. By the end, you'll be able to open, monitor, and close trades without leaving your chart, keeping your workflow fast and focused. Start by opening TradingView and logging into your account. Make sure you're on the chart of the symbol you want to trade. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see the trading panel. This is where you connect your broker so orders can be sent from TradingView. Click the trading panel, choose your broker from the list, and follow the on-screen prompts to authorize the connection securely. If you don't see your broker, check TradingView's supported brokers list or consider a compatible account before proceeding. Once the connection is successful, your chart will display buy and sell buttons on the price scale or near the symbol information. Those buttons are your shortcut to placing trades directly from the chart. Buy opens a long position, meaning you're expecting price to rise. Sell opens a short position, meaning you're expecting price to fall. When you're ready to enter a trade, click Buy or Sell. A small order ticket will appear where you can set your quantity or lot size and choose your order type. Market orders fill immediately at the best available price. Limit orders let you specify a better price and will only fill if the market reaches it. Stop orders trigger once price crosses your chosen level, useful for momentum entries or protective stops. Double-check the quantity, order type, and price levels before you confirm. With execution on screen, your trade is placed directly from the chart, so there's no extra send button or separate panel needed. After the order is live, look to the trading panel at the bottom to monitor it. You'll see your open positions, any working orders, and related details like average price and unrealized profit and loss. This view helps you keep a close eye on what's active without cluttering your chart. To close or modify positions, use the buttons next to your open orders in the trading panel. You can close the entire position, reduce or increase size, or adjust order parameters such as price levels or order type, depending on your broker's options. Always review changes before submitting to avoid accidental edits. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.